In this video, I'll show you how to set up URL redirects in Wix. Redirects are important for making sure visitors reach the right page even if a URL has changed or an old page has been removed. Start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you want to work on. From your dashboard, use the search bar and type redirect. Click on URL Redirect Manager from the results. This tool is where you can create, edit, or remove redirects, helping you avoid broken links and protecting your site's SEO. Next, click New Redirect. In the first field, type the old URL. This is the address visitors may still be using that no longer works. In the second field, type the new URL where you want those visitors to be directed instead. Double-check both URLs to make sure they're correct. When everything looks good, click Save. Your redirect is now active, and anyone trying to access the old link will automatically be sent to the new page. And that's it. You've successfully set up a URL redirect in Wix. It's a simple way to keep your site user-friendly and ensure visitors always find the content they're looking for.